Today I'm gonna unboxing this light. I bought it from the Costco. All right. It is 18 feet length, and I make in Cambodia. So it comes with this remote. So I'm gonna unboxing it now. All right. Okay, let me open it. Okay, I opened this one. Alright, so this is what it comes with it. Okay, let me see what is this. So this one you need to connect to the power cord. So everything here, they tell you how it's set up. It's very simple. Alright. Okay, what is this? The screw, it comes with the screws. Maybe one. So this is the remote. So it comes with different colors. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 different colors. Okay. Oh yeah, you see, this is how it works. So you can change the color from the remote. So it has small plastic here which it disconnect the battery. So now I'm going to remove the plastic out, then you can use the remote, otherwise the remote is not working. So now you can change the light, you see, by pressing this remote. Yes, very cool. So you can turn off it from here. This is the power. Turn on, turn off. I hope you guys liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and make sure you hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to leave the comment below. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for your watching.